What's up, Meatheads? Welcome to this coding tutorial. Today we're going to get set and write some JavaScript. In this video, you'll be flexing your coding skills and running your first program. Are you ready to punch an iron and get coding? I know what. To start coding, you gotta go to Visual Studio Code, click New File, select JavaScript. Okay, step 1, get set. Section 1, Programming Basics. Alright, bros, let's start with the basics. Programming is all about telling a computer what to do, and you do that by writing code in a programming language, such as JavaScript. It's kind of like telling your muscles what to do at the gym, except instead of bicycles or chest flies or leg extensions, we're doing things like creating variables and functions. Speaking of variables, they're like weights and use them to store data, like how much weight you can lift. Here's an example of how to create a variable in JavaScript. Var message equals hello world. In this example, we're creating a variable called message. It's sent it to the string hello world. It's like lifting a heavy weight and then holding it steady. Functions are like lifts, you do it the same. They're blocks of code that perform a specific task, like deadlifts or overhead press. Here's an example of how to create a function in JavaScript. Function, say hello, the double parentheses there, or I guess close parentheses would be a better term. So it's a function. The word function defines the function, but double parentheses is the standard for not just JavaScript, but at least all the languages I've taken, which are Python and Java and JavaScript. In this example, we're creating a function called sayHello, and we're going to create something where it will log a string to the console. We're going to make it log the string hello world. So console.log hello world. You may be wondering, oh, we have hello world twice. Well, actually, you could do console.log variable message and it would work the same, which I will showcase that in a minute. But yeah, in this example, we have the function sayHello right here that logs a string hello world right here. It's like doing a pasta curl and then popping your pets. Okay, broskies. Time to put our muscles to work and make it log to the console. We're going to write a program that prints the string hello world to the console. Right now, it has everything to print the string hello world except calling the function that we put where it logs the string right here. And the function is here. And it's very simple to call a function. You simply do the name of the function, in this case sayHello double parentheses. There we go. That will log the function. And I can prove this works. See, hello world. And outputs to there. no matter, and I'll do it with the string, and here, just to do an example, I'll put something else in there. Welcome lifter. Now let's see, we'll say hello, still call that. Yes, it does. Welcome lifter. Now let's use the variable methods again. Hello world. Okay. Now one last little thing. Variable farewell. See you next time. Okay. Now I would suggest change the name of the function if you would do something like this, but just for education purposes. Now let's see, do you think it will print out hello world or farewell? Which would be see you next time is a string that's assigned to. Yep, okay. So with that said, you did it. You wrote your first program in JavaScript and pumped up those coding muscles. Keep flexing those programming skills and hitting the gym, and you'll be a coding champion in no time. Thanks for watching. Remember, lift heavy, code hard.